Maayong gabi mga higala. Welcome again to another evening here in Panglantaw sa Kagabhion, where we look at life not through the lens of luxury, power, or status, but through the eyes of truth, humility, and shared humanity. Sa dili pa nato sugdan mga igsoon ng ato ang panaghisgot ato sang i-shout out ng ato ang mga likers sa ato ang live kagabi si Jeffrey Pitugo, Willie Dahiro, Abinigo Ukapan, ato ang municipal administrator, ato mga kauban teachers Jovi Habilio, Revelin Apabli Lagata, Arturo Tubigon Jr. and Estrella Palir Bakar. Daghang salamat sa inyong pagtanaw, pagpaminaw ug suporta ani ang atong tulumanon Panglantaw sa Kagabhion. And tonight, let's talk about something a bit amusing, a bit painful, and a bit too real. Our fascination with luxury goods and how society sometimes treats them as a shortcut to dignity, confidence, and self-worth. Ang uban, mga branded, bit upa. I came across a piece that made me laugh, but honestly, made me think harder than I expected. I said, in a world full of difficult moral decisions and the exhausting responsibility of being a decent human being, thank goodness luxury brands exist. And you know what? There's some uncomfortable truth in that satire. Karon nga panahon, daghan na kaayo ang feeling nga ang pagkamaayog batasan, ang pagkamatinud-anon, ang pagkakompassionate, murag kapoy. Character is exhausting. Integrity is heavy. Emotional maturity, nakakapoy. Masayon gyud ang pagbitbit og bag nga mahal kaysa magbitbit og prinsipyo. Because let's be honest, wearing a Rolex is much easier than practicing humility. Carrying Gucci is far more convenient than carrying patience. And a Louis Vuitton bag ay mas dali pa na kaysa magdala ka og self-awareness. But this is what society has turned into. We reward the shine, not the soul. We admire the label, not the labor. We praise the price tag, not the person. And the saddest part, there are people today who believe their worth increases with every luxury item they purchase, while their character remains the same, or sometimes worsens. Abi kay naka Gucci, naka Rolex, naka Louis Vuitton, ngilad na dahil kinaiya. Nay uban basta naka-branded, mura nagnay special pass sa kinabuhi. A Gucci belt becomes confidence. A Louis Vuitton bag becomes authority. A Rolex becomes evidence of success, even if deep inside the person is collapsing, empty, or insecure. But here's the truth that no designer brand can cover. Character is not for sale, and respect is not earned through leather. It is earned through living rightly. There is where tonight's reflection hits the core. People today want shortcuts. A shortcut to respect. A shortcut to admiration. A shortcut to importance. But the world does not truly honor people for what they wear. The world honors people for who they are. And we see this in all areas. In social media, people flaunt gadgets, cars, brands. But when you look at their comments, puno sa insulto, panglait, kasaba, arrogance, and kakulang sa respeto. Nindot ang relo, pero bati ang pamatasan. Mahal ang sapatos, pero barato ang prinsipyo. Klase ang bag, pero empty ang karakter. Because luxury can decorate you, but only integrity can define you. Luxury can impress strangers, but only kindness can impact lives. Luxury can turn heads, but only humility can turn hearts. This is why the satire hits so hard. It tells us that many today would rather buy confidence than cultivate self-worth. They would rather buy admiration than build relationships. They would rather buy status than earn respect. But here's where the wisdom of Scripture enters. Something no brand can compete with. Proverbs chapter 22 verse 1 says, "A good name is more desirable than great riches. To be esteemed is better than silver or gold." Meaning, better to have a clean reputation than a closet full of branded items. Better to be respected for your character than admired for your wardrobe. Better to be trusted for your integrity than photographed for your possessions. Another verse reminds us, 1 Samuel 16 verse 7. Man looks at the outward appearance, but the Lord looks at the heart. Mauni, the world sees your Gucci, but God sees your motives. The world sees your Rolex, but God sees your honesty. The world sees your Louis Vuitton bag, but God sees how you treat the powerless. Ug mao na'y pinaka-importante sa tanan. Because mga higala, there is a bigger luxury that society rarely talks about. A gentle heart, a disciplined mind, a humble spirit, a compassionate soul. These things cannot be bought. These things cannot be faked. These things cannot be placed in a shopping bag. You can buy expensive shoes, but you cannot buy the right path. You can buy branded clothes, but you cannot buy dignity. You can buy a luxury watch, but you cannot buy more time to fix a rotten heart. And that's what we must confront today. We live in a society obsessed with appearing wealthy rather than becoming wise. We live among people who value the logo more than the reason. We live in a time where the price tag screams louder than the conscience. But here's the truth I want you to take home tonight. A humble person wearing ordinary clothes will always outrank a proud person wearing luxury brands. Always. Because pride makes you heavy. Character makes you rise. And so as we end tonight's commentary, let me say this clearly and lovingly. If you ever feel insecure, lost, or unsure of your worth, don't run to Louis Vuitton or LV. Don't run to Gucci. Don't run to Rolex. Run to God. Run to truth. Run to the kind of person you're becoming. Because when the shine fades, when the trend ends, when the leather cracks, when the watch stops ticking, only one thing remains. Who you are. And that, mga higala, is the only luxury that truly matters. Kini ang panglantaw sa kagabhion diin ang kahayag na gadanag bisan pa sa kangit-ngit. Kini inyong igsoon, higala o kalagad, Jeremias Labaho Tubigon, sa makausap pa maingon, nga sa atong pagpangandoy ug matarong nga katilingban, ang kamatuuran gayud ang atong suga. Ug sa kangit-ngit sa kasaysayan, ang tinud-anay nga pamunuan, ang labing hayag nga paglaom. Daghang salamat sa inyong pagtanaw, pagpaminaw. Shout out Willie Dahirok nga nagtanaw kanato karon live. Ug sa tanan, ang Dios magapanalangin ug magapanalangin ug magapanalangin kanatong tanan. Mayong gabi.